Hello guys, how's your day today? Let me make it even better by giving you some tricks relating to Android. Some require apps whereas some don't, but one thing I'll make sure you enjoy this episode. The first trick involves using widgets. You use Android widgets, right? Mainly for clock, for calendar, but I bet you never tried this with your widgets. To do that, first we have to go to widgets. Then scroll down to see the settings shortcut widget, which you can find here. Just hold it and bring it to the home screen, and now select any function that needs to be displayed on the screen for your easy access. Let me select the memory, and that's done. That's how simple it is. Just tap on it and you can access the memory, that how much memory has been consumed by the application. You can see every detail. It's simple and effective. Moving on, now we require an application. Mainly this trick involves using WhatsApp. So the application in question is What's tool for WhatsApp. This application in itself is like a bag of tricks. Let me show a few of the important ones to you. Forward all. This is a handy feature as WhatsApp limits forwarding messages to only 5, but with this you can overtake that limit. And there are two methods to forward the message, that is manual or automatic. See, for automatic to work you need to purchase the application, and that is costly, but for manual it takes time to forward, so it's up to you how you want it. Next is caption status. If you find it hard to write new and fancy status, then use this and you are good to go. The next is story status, and it's also similar to the previous one, but the only difference is here you use the images. The best feature I think is funny text messages, where you have plethora of options like stylish messages, flip text, or text repeater, and send empty messages. All of those work, okay? And you can use GIFs, which are trending, and there are many categories. Also you can use the stickers, or you can create them by using your own photos as well. The next trick uses your Android's browser. For me it's Chrome. So enter the website google.com and now go to settings, which you can find down below. But before that, let me show you how this will look after everything has been done. So here you will find many options, but the important one that we require is handwrite. Okay, just enable that, and now you can write anything on the screen and it will be typed exactly what you wrote in the search bar. Just a new way of doing the old stuff. It's interesting, right? And below there you can find buttons like spacebar, delete, which are only few of those, and rest all you can write on the screen. The next trick involves using YouTube with screen turned off. This is simple as it gets. Open the youtube.com in your Google Chrome, then don't open the application but just be in the browser and search for whatever you want to hear, like a music video. Then open the video and now go into the settings and turn on the desktop mode and get the video to full screen. Okay, let that load, and now let me make it to full screen. Okay, this is what you can see. Then minimize the browser and you will get a notification with the audio file. Just press play button and now listen to whatever you want with the screen turned off. I usually use this for listening to music and all. You can do that too, and it's easy as it's get. The last trick for today involves using an application named Portal. So what's special about this app, you might ask? You can check all the messages at one place, like from Gmail, regular messages, WhatsApp, and also you can read private messages without leaving blue tick in WhatsApp. And you can check the messages that are deleted before you seen them. And the other part is there are games and comics available which you can try, which you can use, and they are really fun. And the main part is it does not have any ads in it, unlike every other application that I have tried, with the only difference being the ads are not available, and that's what makes this application a special one. So guys, if you did enjoy the video, then you know what to do. I am Satej signing off, and see you in another video.